Hey guys, let's talk about how to connect this HY300 to an iPad. So as you can see here, my projector is already working. Back there on the wall, we see the image, right? And this is a Magcubic. Let me just show you here. Magcubic, which is also known as HY300 Pro Plus. So basically, if you have like a HY300, that'll be similar to mine here. Even if you have a different brand that's not Magcubic, for example, you're gonna have a menu back there that you can select HDMI. See back there that I have the HDMI. So I just use my remote control and I go there to HDMI, all right? And now it's waiting for the signal. So what I have to do is just grab your cable. Here, for example, I have a USB-C to HDMI cable. That's for new iPads that use USB-C, all right? Or if you have an old iPad like I do, I just use this one, which is a lightning cable to HDMI. So I'm gonna use this one. And guys, believe me, you need to get the correct cable. I was trying a lot of them. They don't work until I find this one on Amazon. I'll leave the link here in the description, okay, for both cables. They work. So here, I just connect the cable and I grab my iPad here. I have an old version that uses lightning cable. Just connect the lightning cable here. Wait for a while. Take a look back there and it's working. See back there? Already working. If I just flip here, it's going to flip there and it works pretty fine, okay? So super simple. If you have the cable to connect to your iPad, you're good to go, all right? So I hope this helps, okay? That's the way you can connect your iPad to your HY300. Just leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.